girl say she fine, pretty, pretty. The girl get class, no be bang, bitty, bitty. Fine girl, she say fine, pretty, pretty. The girl get class. Right about now. Now you make me start to sing, oh. La 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 la. I wanna put a ring on me, oh oh. La 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 la. The girl is fine, no be blue. I like your style, I like your way. For Instagram, the way you slay.
Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Tara, and as you can see from the title, I am going to be transforming my mom into me. I'm not entirely sure who first came up with this challenge, but I will leave a link to the video that I saw down below. Now, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be doing my 70-year-old mother's makeup. So the title might have been just a little sensationalized. My mom is not exactly 70, she is actually 69, but in my opinion that is close enough, and I needed something catchy, like a nice round number, you know, something to bring you in. So yeah, we're gonna be doing her makeup, something simple, something fresh. This is really my everyday go-to glam look, you know, something warm in the crease, something shimmery on the lid, and some nice lashes. Unfortunately, there were some issues with the audio, so this video is gonna be mostly voiceover except for a few clips that I was able to salvage here and there. But I do definitely plan on having my mom back on my channel again. I'm not sure what kind of video we're gonna do, but I think it'll be a lot of fun. As always, if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already. Also, if you want to get notified every time I upload, go ahead and hit that bell icon down below. It'll take you to another box, and then you just click that checkbox and you are good to go. I know that notifications are not for everybody, so if you're not into that, I completely understand. But if you want that new, if you want that hot news, then go ahead and hit that notification bell. So let's get started. So to kick things off, I'm just taking a cotton pad with some micellar water to my mom's face and just making sure to get rid of any residue and just making sure that we're starting off with a blank canvas. I'm then going to moisturize her face just a little bit here and there just to make sure that her skin is nice and supple and plump. Next, I'm going in with primer. This is the NYX Pore Filler Primer, and I am just putting this all over her face so that we have a nice, flawless base. Next, I'm going to do her brows. Nothing too crazy here, just brushing them up with a spoolie, and then I'm going to fill them in with an angled brush and the NYX Tame and Frame Brow Pomade. And then, of course, I'm going to clean that up with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. And I'm just going to take that on a flat brush. Now it's time for foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, I believe. I'll leave the color in the description box below. It is dark for her, but it was the closest match I had in my collection for her. So I'm going to go ahead and lighten it up using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. We're going to place this underneath her eyes, her forehead, her chin, and around her mouth. And then we're just going to blend all of that out with a damp beauty sponge.
You want us to go out after we do all that?
See how we feel.
Exactly. Just the bear place, where you like their bear.
No, I'm not going there.
What's about you?
I don't bow and try, I just don't like that place that much.
Ah, okay.
Just happens to be around here. I go sometimes.
Okay. So where can we go around here?
I don't know, we'll figure it out.
To go and take pictures with the crowd with our snatch selves.
Snatch selves. Okay, mommy. Once that's all blended out, you notice that it really lightened up her face really nicely, making it look a little bit more balanced. I'm then going to go ahead and contour using the Sephora Bright Future Gel Serum. I believe this is the color Hot Chocolate or Hot Cocoa. It's one of those. And I'm just blending that out with a Real Techniques contour brush. Next, I'm going in with some more LA Girl Pro Conceal right underneath that contour that we just laid down. This is just going to sharpen it up. It's going to make it look cleaner, and it's going to make it look more pronounced. Then I'm going in with the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder everywhere that I place the concealer, just to set everything into place. I'm dusting off the excess powder, And then I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. And I'm taking that on an e.l.f. powder brush. You guys know I do my makeup the same exact way, even when I'm doing it on myself. So I didn't really do anything too different with her as well. And I'm just buffing this all over her face. Next, I'm going in with some bronzer because we got to warm up this face. We got to bring some sun-kissed goodness to this face. And I'm taking my CoverGirl Queen Ebony bronzer. For highlight, I'm going in with the Shaler X Color Pop collaboration. This is the color Metro Boomin'. And man, that highlighter is pretty. Good Lord.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Look at that glow. Look at that glow.
It just creates the most beautiful, subtle, gorgeous glow. And of course you can build it up if you want to. For blush, I'm going in with Peace by Iman, and I'm just taking that on an e.l.f. complexion brush. So for eyes, I'm going in with the Juvia's Place Saharan palette. I'm going for something simple but glam, a little bit of sparkle but nothing too over the top. And I'm going to be picking up the Sokoto and the Jamila color on a Morphe E27 brush. I'm going to blend that all through her crease and her transition area, making sure to really blow it out so that it's not super intense. Then for the lid, I'm taking a flat brush, which I sprayed with some setting spray, and I'm picking up the Lulu color and laying that all over the lid. And then in the inner eye corner, I'm placing a little bit of Zoya. For the lower lash line, I'm going in with a Morphe M326 brush and the Sokoto and Jamila color again, and I'm just smoking that all underneath the lashes. And I'm also going to bring a little bit of that onto the lid in the outer third corner, just using the same brush. Now I'm going in with that same brush and some of the Chat color, and I barely dipped my brush into the shadow. This is a very pigmented black. I just wanted to ground the look and bring a little more definition and depth. Then I'm going into her waterline with the NYX white eyeliner pencil, and then I'm kind of blending that out with a concealer brush so that it's not so stark white. I'm lining her lips with a brown lip liner. And then I'm going over top with the Maybelline lipstick in the color Raw Chocolate. And then I'm going to go over top with the Fenty Gloss Bomb. And lastly, I'm just going to blend the lip liner into the lips a little bit more with an e.l.f. lip defining brush. I'm adding a bit of mascara to her top and bottom lashes. I'm going to spray her down with the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. I've just put it in a different bottle because I like the way that this bottle sprays. And that completes the look, you guys. Stay tuned for some fun posing and some bloopers.
All right, time to pose, lady. I was doing grandma's poses. Oh, you look so good. Let me get out of your frame. All right, pose for me. Look what I do. You've seen my videos? No. Well, I have. You don't have to use your hand, you know. Oh, okay. It's just an option. Ooh, yes, girl. Pose, girl.
All right, my loves, this is the final look. Let me know in the comments below if you think we look anything alike. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe if you are not subscribed already, and hit that notification bell down below if you want to be notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day.
Fine girl, so she fine, pretty. The girl get class, don't be bang, pretty. Fine girl, she say fine, pretty. The girl get class. Right about now. Now you make me start to sing. La 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 la.
Oh, you are going to show all this?
Everything. I'm going to edit it. I'm going to edit it.
Oh, yeah. Close.
Yeah. Flip that hair.
Yeah.